Let's create a short animation video step by step. Here's a storyline example. Storyline example. Title: The Brave Little Elephant. Plot: a young elephant named Chintu embarks on an adventure to find a magical river that can save his village from drought. Along the way, he encounters various challenges and makes new friends who help him on his journey. Step 1. Generate images with prompts. We'll use AI tools to generate images for our story. Here are some prompts you can use. 1. Chintu the elephant. Prompt: a cute young elephant named Chintu, with big ears and a friendly smile, standing in a lush green forest. 2. Magical river. Prompt: a sparkling magical river with glowing water, surrounded by vibrant flowers and trees. 3. Chintu's friends. Prompt: a wise old turtle with a kind face, a playful monkey swinging from a tree, and a colorful parrot flying above. 4. Challenges. Prompt: a dark, dense forest with mysterious shadows, a steep mountain with rocky paths, and a wide river with a rickety bridge. Step 2. Generate voiceover with 11 Labs. To generate voiceovers in Telugu using 11 Labs. 1. Sign up. Create an account on 11 Labs. 2. Upload script. Upload the script you generated with ChatGPT. 3. Select language. Choose Telugu as the language for the voiceover. 4. Generate voice. Click on the Generate button to create the voiceover. 5. Download. Download the generated voice file. Step 3. Create stunning video with ClipDrop. ClipDrop can help you capture and edit images for your animation. 1. Capture images. Use ClipDrop to capture the images generated from the prompts. 2. Edit images. Edit the images to enhance their quality and add any necessary effects. 3. Save images. Save the edited images to your computer. Step 4. Convert 15 seconds into images with Runway ML. To create a video from images using Runway ML. 1. Upload images. Upload the images you created to Runway ML. 2. Arrange images. Arrange the images in the order of the storyline. 3. Add voiceover. Add the voiceover file generated from 11 Labs. 4. Animate. Use Runway ML's animation tools to animate the images. 5. Export video. Export the final video. Step 5. Final editing and export with CapCut. 1. Import video. Import the video created in Runway ML into CapCut. 2. Edit video. Add any final touches, such as transitions, text, and background music. 3. Export video. Export the final video in high quality. By following these steps, you can create a stunning 15-second animation video in Telugu. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.